Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Unplanned Way. In this video, we are showing South Mumbai's most famous 8 Ganpatis which you can consider visiting. Mumbaikars wait throughout the year for the grand Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations in and around the city. The locals and tourists from all over the world visit Mumbai during this time to be a part of it and get a glimpse of the magnificent Ganpati Festival. The local communities take much pride in organizing the event and have healthy competition to outdo one another every year and witness more than a million devotees each day growing more every year. Without a doubt, Lalbaug Saraja is the grandest and most famous Ganesh Mandal in Mumbai. Founded in 1934 at Lalbaug Market in South Mumbai, Lalbaug Saraja is all set to celebrate 90th year this time. Lalbaug Saraja is known for its wish-fulfilling deity and attracts close to 2 crore visitors every year, making it stand out from all the other Ganpatis in Mumbai. Devotees do not mind waiting for more than 12 hours in the queue here. You can visit Lalbagh Raja in the first 2 to 3 days to avoid longer queues. Many famous celebrities along with common men visit Lalbagh Raja each year. In 1920, a group of 20 to 25 men got together to start the Chinchpokri Sarvajanik Utsav Mandal, and now it draws lakhs of devotees each year during the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi to seek the blessing of Lord Ganpati. Devotees come from far and wide to welcome Lord Ganesha, expressing their deepest thanks. Beyond its rituals, this bundle stands out for its unique design and its commitment to social service. Located at King's Circle, GSP Seva Mandal is the richest Ganpati Mandal in Mumbai. This Ganpati Mandal is the epitome of grandeur with over 295 kilograms of silver and precious goods and a staggering 66 kilograms of gold ornaments adorning Mahaganpati.
Rana, Rana, Ranu, Rena, Rena.
Just a stone's throw away from Lalbaug Charaja lies Mumbai Charaja in Ganesh Galli, another gem in Mumbai's Pandal crown. What makes it special? Every year, this mandal stuns visitors with captivating themes that often replicate iconic places in India. Established in 1928 for the welfare of mill workers, it's not just old, it's a historical masterpiece. Parel Saraja Ganpati was first started by a handful of mill workers in the nearby areas back in 1947. This year, Parel Saraja is celebrating its 74th year. Parel Saraja Ganpati idol showcases creativity at its peak. Like almost all Ganpati Mandals in Mumbai, Parel Saraja also supports the community through medical, social, and recreational activities. Located at Chinchbandar, Dongri Charaja is another iconic place to visit during Ganeshotsav. Khetwadi Charaja is commonly known as Mumbai Cha Maharaja. Founded in 1962, Khetwadi Charaja is a must-visit place during Ganpati Festival in Mumbai. Fort Charaja is known as Ichhapurti Ganesh. Founded in 1956 just outside CSMT railway station, Fort Charaja never fails to amaze its devotees with breathtaking decorations and creativity. Every year, they change the seating style of Fort Saraja while keeping the facial structure the same. Did we miss any of your favorite Ganpati Mandal in South Mumbai? Do let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful, please hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in our next video soon.